Hello and welcome to Pandora's Tarot. This is a reading for the sign of Libra. As I always say, please remember to check your rising and your moon sign because that will give you more information on the energies available throughout the month. Of course, this is a general reading, so if you would like a private reading, you can contact me at pandorastarot@gmail.com. The email address is in the description box below this video, so you can just copy paste from there. So let's get started with this reading right here, Libra. You have in the challenge position the highest priestess. And the highest priestess is a card that talks about intuition, being connected with your inner guidance, your inner wisdom. And the highest priestess also talks about esoteric forms of knowledge, such as the tarot, astrology, numerology, that sort of thing. It also talks about keeping within you the information, not spilling out everything you know. And being in the challenge position, I would say that your challenge for the month of May, Libra, is to connect with your inner guidance, okay, because it's going to be particularly strong. Not only because of the highest priestess, but also because you're having the development. You have the moon card, and the moon talks like the highest priestess about connecting with your inner wisdom. And also, both cards together could talk about some hidden truths finally coming out to the open, coming out to the light. Because the moon, I always say the card of the moon is like a veil that poses that we put over reality, and we believe we're seeing things as they actually are, but in reality we are not. Okay, we are not seeing things really defined. So there are things about us. There's a situation where you don't know all the facts in April. You don't have all the pieces together. But in the month of May, around the middle of the month, you're going to be able to put the pieces together to really have all the information necessary. Because there is some information coming out to the open. Look at the moon card. If we look at it, the moon is not actually an actual moon, but it's actually a moon that turns into a sun. Okay, because it is that something that eventually is revealed, something that eventually receives the light of day. So I believe this information that is missing, you will be able to find it by connecting with yourself, by following your inner guidance. Okay, and this piece of information will allow you to seek justice. There is a situation where you have been treated unfairly, and by being able, like I said before, to really get all the pieces together, you will be able to try to find justice. Either a justice like courts and lawyers and all of that, or it could be some sense of karmic justice. Why do I say this? Because in the position of the things you cannot change, first and foremost you have the Page of Pentacles. And pages always represent messengers. And this one could represent someone from the earth sign, so it could be Virgo, could be Capricorn, could be Taurus as well. Most importantly, it's a resource. It's a message about a resource coming your way. So, is it money? Yes, it could be money. But a resource is something you can use for your own benefit. You can gain something from actually use it. So it could be someone you follow your intuition, and you contact someone who might belong to the earth signs, and they tell you that this is what's been going on, this and that. And this message allows you to seek justice. Justice, it's the card that represents you, and it's also a card, when it comes up, it means that justice will be served. We will receive what it is rightfully ours. you know. So in this case, you will receive what is rightfully yours, uh, Libra. So there is no way around it, and this information, there is a flow of information coming to you. And in the help you're going to receive, you have the King of Swords, and King of Swords could represent someone from the earth signs. So it could be Aquarius, another Libra, um, it could be also Gemini. Most importantly, this is someone that will be of help to you. This is someone who deals with truth only. This is not someone who lies or cheats. And if we look at it, it's very interesting how both cards for both characters have a sword. Okay, the sword of truth, the sword that allows you to cut through things and separate truth from false, right? Truth from a lie. So this could be a lawyer, it could be an advisor, it could be someone from an air sign that is not specifically a professional in the law area, but it could be of help to you in this seeking of justice. Clearly, this is someone who helps you to seek justice because it is himself a very just person. As the final card, you have the star, and the star represents making our dreams come true. It also represents the sign of Aquarius, so it could be that this character is an Aquarius person, but the star card, like I said, represents making our dreams come true, finally achieving things. It's a card also filled with hope. And interestingly enough, we've been talking about knowledge, and the card that represents the water bearer, the Aquarius, we can see, you know, the woman is pouring water onto the lake and onto the into the earth, the soil. This is knowledge, okay? Because the Aquarius people, that's their purpose in life, to share knowledge, to bring knowledge to humanity, because they are connected with the future, correct? So there is a stream, if you see the story here, of hidden truth, hidden facts, hidden truth, the truth coming out to the light, especially to you, and eventually being able to share that truth, so everyone can really understand this situation, that it could be in a sense of a court situation, and someone will help you to seek this justice and to share that knowledge. Perhaps it's not specifically in terms of, oh, we're going to trial, you know, but justice comes from someone, from the, you know, this situation that makes you feel like you were treated unfairly. Eventually you're able to put all the pieces together and to let everyone know that this person did this to you, and there is a form of social justice, okay, because you will get the social reprimand of you know, this person will get the social reprimand of behaving badly towards you, okay. So you will be seeking justice this month, justice that is rightfully yours, okay. It's a way of rectifying something that was not it was not correct, and with justice card you will receive what is rightfully yours, not more and not less. And again, the stream of knowledge, it's very interesting, and you have all these major arcana cards, so it's going to be a very important month for you. So I hope this is helpful. I want to thank everyone for watching, liking, and subscribing. Thank you for spending your time with me. I'll see you next month.